Hello everyone, I hope you are good and doing too well. I'm your friend Smith Sethi and I welcome all of you on a channel Affiliate Millionaires Club. If you're watching this video, definitely you're looking for the solution that how to choose the right product or program to promote as an affiliate marketer. So before going ahead, first of all, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, you will get all my notifications. Okay, so here we are talking about to build the career in the affiliate marketing, and to build a strong career you always need a strong foundation, and that foundation depends upon the product you choose, how valuable your product is and how high quality your product is. So the number one thing you have to choose in your product, that your product should be highly in demand in the market. The more demand the product has, more it has the probability to give you more and more sales. To know about the quality of the product, go for their reviews, go for the testimony of the people, what people are talking about the product, what they written about the product, go for their blogs, go for their YouTube videos, look at their reviews. First of all, find it that product is highly demandable. What people talk about the product. If the reviews are positive, choose the product first. Second thing is that use the product. It's very important. Without using the product, how it's possible to make a big sale? If you are not confident by your heart, if you're not confident about the product, you are not able to sell your product to more and more people. First of all, product should be demandable. Second thing is that you should have to choose the product so that you will know that product is really a high quality, a high demandable and high valuable product. This thing brings your confidence. This thing raises up your confidence level, and the content you need to promote this product, you write that content by the bottom of your heart. You will give your 100% to promote that product. It's very important. Be a user of the product. Okay, because without using the product, you are not able to tell features and qualities of that product to your customer. Okay, third thing is that your product should be a problem solving product. It's very important. People are not interested in buying your product. People are interested in their problem solving product. Let's take an example. Someone has baldness. Okay, they don't have a hair. They go to the market. They go to the shop where there are so many creams or product related to the beauty, related to the health. Okay, so there is a salesman. He look at the person and he says that, sir, this is the product. You have a baldness. I also have a baldness before. But when I use this product, with this product, I get my hair back, and that product is very effective. And the customer look at the eyes of the salesman. He sees confident in his eyes, and he also sees confident in his voice, and definitely he will buy the product. Same thing is happening here. When you use the product, you get confidence, and you can easily tell your customer that definitely this product helps to solve my problem, and this product also solve your problem. That is the confidence when you use the product. So your product should be a problem solving product. The first thing is that your product should be highly demandable. The second thing is that you have to use the product to raise your confidence. And third thing is that your product should be a problem solving product. Okay. And the fourth thing is that your product has a great commission system. It is very important. Either you get sale once, commission once, or there is a multiple source of income, or maybe there is a sales funnel or an ecosystem build where you will get more and more sales from to one customer. You can make more and more sales. Ecosystem, what ecosystem contains? Ecosystem contains, suppose you have a product on the front side. When a person purchases the product, he enter into ecosystem. On the back side of that ecosystem, there are so many products. And that customer is also interested to purchase that product because that product gives more value than the first product. Maybe your first product has a cost of $50 and you will get a commission of $30. It's an example. And your second product next to him, it has a cost of $100. It's more valuable. And maybe on the sale of that product, you will get a commission of 50 bucks, 60 bucks. It after the commission system. And on the back side, there is one more product which costs $200. And when the same customer purchase this product, maybe you will get 100 bucks. Okay, so it is an ecosystem, and ecosystem contains multiple products, and from one customer, you will get multiple sales, and on multiple sales you will get commission again and again. Is this awesome? Yes. You have to choose a great sales funnel, a great ecosystem product. If your product or program don't have a great sales funnel ecosystem, then look at, is it has a leverage income plan? That is very important. Some program have a monthly membership fees. It is very important. Okay, when customer pays per month, each and every month when he paid to the company, you will get the commission. It is really superb thing. Every month customer pays to the company for the service provided by the company, and every month you are generating the commission from a single lead. This is the thing you have to focus upon. See, you put so many effort to bring traffic on your website, on your blogs, on your YouTube videos, and if you are giving just one, if you are making just one sale, you are doing bullshit. Choose the product which has an ecosystem and which has a great leverage income, so that you will get commission again and again. In sales funnel, on each and every sale, same customer purchase different products, and you will get sales on each and every product. And on the leverage platform, every month you are getting commission from the one customer. That is very important. So whenever you choose the product, see that what its commission system. And the fifth thing is that your company should have a strong goodwill, and it provides you all the marketing tools to promote their products. In the marketing tools, you have to look for that is that company provide you proper banners, so that you have to place their banners on your websites, a great email content, so you have to follow their customers, a great material to promote on social media, maybe on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So there are so many stuff you have to look at. Okay, so if you have good tools, if you have a good tools, if you have a weapon, you can easily fight on the battleground. Means if you have a great tools, you definitely make great sales in affiliate marketing, and your company should have a strong goodwill. Talk to the people who are associated with the company. Their associates, talk to their associates. Is they get commission on time? Is they get proper service from the company? Is the company doing any type of scams? Talk to them. Okay, that is very important, because in the front hand of the customer, you is standing. You are answerable and responsible for the sale to your customer. It's about your goodwill. You are in the front hand. You are the face of the company. If you are selling the wrong product, definitely you will spoil your career. You will lose your customers. So don't do these shit things. So these are some factors. I will tell you about the 5 factors. First of all is your product is demandable. Use the product. Your product should be problem solving. It has a great commission system. First of all, a great sales funnel or ecosystem. If it don't have a great sales funnel or ecosystem, then choose it has a leverage income plan. And the 5th one is the company goodwill and the marketing tools they are providing. If you go through all these factors, definitely you will choose the right product and the right program. So it's all about the video. I think you like it. If you like it, then gives me a thumbs up, and leave the comment in the comment section that what you like in this video. And one more thing, I am promoting the product which has all of these 5 factors. If you want to be associated with me, then I have put a link in the description box. Go and check it. Till then, have a good, great and a fantastic day. See you in the next video.